This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Lazid E Kit is a crucial treatment option for managing HIV infection in adults. It combines 3 powerful antiretroviral drugs to help control the virus. Indications and uses. This medication is primarily indicated for the management of HIV infection in adults. It plays a significant role in reducing the viral load in patients, allowing for better immune function and quality of life. It is essential for individuals diagnosed with HIV to adhere to treatment to prevent the progression to AIDS and to improve the overall health outcome. How it works. The active ingredients in this medication work by blocking the reverse transcriptase enzyme, which is vital for HIV to replicate, thereby reducing the overall amount of the virus in the body. Directions for use. It is important to take this medication as advised by your physician. Swallow the tablets whole without crushing or chewing them. Your doctor will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on your age, body weight, and specific health condition, ensuring that you receive optimal care during your treatment. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dizziness, nausea, headache, and diarrhea. If these symptoms persist or worsen, it is crucial to consult a healthcare professional for guidance. Precautions and warnings. Prior to using this medication, it is essential to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if there are existing liver, kidney, or heart issues. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should seek medical advice as well. Alcohol consumption should be avoided to minimize side effects, and caution is advised when operating machinery or driving. FAQs. 1. How does this medication work? It works by blocking the reverse transcriptase enzyme necessary for HIV replication. 2. Can it be given to children? It is not recommended for children and should be used with caution in elderly patients over 65 years. 3. Is it safe during pregnancy? It should be used with caution in pregnant women, and effective contraception is advised during treatment. 4. What are the common side effects? Common side effects include dizziness, nausea, and headache. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is always appreciated.